In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the could not find the recovery environment in Windows 10 error. So you will get this error when you're trying to recover your system. So I'm going to search for recovery options, and then underneath reset this PC you select get started. I want to keep my files. And you will see the error over here. So could not find the recovery environment, insert your Windows installation or recovery media and restart your PC with the media. And to fix this, it's quite easily, to be honest. So you go to your search area and you search for CMD, which means the command prompt. Right click on it and you select run as administrator. You select yes. So now you see the command prompt, and what we're going to do is you're going to insert reagent C space / enable, and you hit the enter button. Okay, and now you should see this message. So operation successful, and we can do a check to reagent C space / info, and here you will see the Windows recovery location. So if this was successful, you will see the location of your Windows recovery over here. So hard disk 0, partition 4. Okay, so now we enabled the recovery. We can close the screen. And we go back to the recovery section. So I select get started. Keep my files. And as you can see, now the error is solved. So this is how to fix the could not find the recovery environment error in Windows 10. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was the case, please leave a like and see you in the next video.